Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be checking out Weskis Hair's Wear and Go 22-inch straight wig. So if you're interested in seeing what that wear and go wig looks like, please keep on watching this video. And guys, remember to download the Link app, the fast and easy way to safely send and receive money on your mobile phone. Available both on Google Play and the Apple Store. Follow them at Link Jamaica on Instagram.
Boss, 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 boss.
Anything TANAANIA touch that I feel. Boss, boss, that I feel.
Yeah guys, as I was saying, we are going to be checking out Weskis' Wear and Go 22-inch straight wig. It is a 5x5 closure wig, right? And they said this wig is the easiest because, of course, as the name suggests, it's just wear and go. So let's get into what's inside this box. So yes guys, this is supposed to be a 180 density 5x5 closure wig in 22 inches from Weskis Hair. Now I see the hair already, but let's get into what's inside the box. So of course, Weskis sent us a pair of lashes. We have their trusty bonnet, of course. We have an edge brush, an elastic, a pair of wig caps, and also a satin cap to just put your wig in after you finished installation. Now let's get into the main feature of this video, which is definitely going to be the wear and go wig, because I'm excited just like you guys to see what this wear and go wig is all about. All right, already I love the quality. I can see just how silky the texture of this straight hair is. Let me go ahead and take the mesh cap off. Yeah, this is definitely true to length. This is definitely 22 inches guys. Look at this. Ooh, right? Right. Now, of course, the 5x5 closure already looks like something that has been customized. I guess that's why it is definitely a wear and go wig, because you just take this out of the package, cut the lace, and you are good to go. And of course guys, on the inside they have clips on both sides to fasten the wig to your head. They have a clip towards the back. They have the bra strap elastic types, which we know we love because I usually just use those without the clips to fasten the wig to my head. But let's get into a close-up of this 22-inch straight ready to go wig from Weskis Hair. All right guys, so here we go. It's actually very silky. I can't wait to see how it reacts to the NL Pro flat iron that I got from Naturally Laced, because that flat iron flats out hairs so straight and it gets so hot. So this hair is supposed to be beautiful if it reacts well to that flat iron. And of course here we have our 5x5 lace closure. Now remember, I have done nothing to it, no plucking, no dyeing, no bleaching, and this is beautiful. Like already I can tell this lace is gonna melt so easily into my skin. We're just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off when we're doing the installation. Now again, for our close-up view, here are the clips on the inside. We have the normal elastic band which helps fasten the wig to your head, and then of course they included the bra strap elastics and a comb towards the back. Now let's get into the installation of this wear and go wig from Weskis Hair. Alright guys, so you know me, I'm already wearing my stocking cap under my tie head. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fit this 5x5 lace closure wig from Weskis onto my head. And I'm gonna use the elastic band that they provided first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fasten the clip towards the back there. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, and I love me a closure wig just because it is so much easier to manage than a frontal. Like I can just dry it on and go wherever I'm going. Now I don't even think we need any got to be glue or anything on this wig, but let's go ahead and cut the excess lace and see what we're working with, because I see that this is truly a wear and go wig. Look how beautiful that is guys. Like, ooh, 22 inches of beautifulness. I love this. All right, let's cut the lace. Guys, so this is what it looks like when I cut the excess lace off. I bet you guys can't even tell. There is no glue, absolutely no glue under this 5x5 closure. I'm gonna go in with the flat iron and my hot comb and the wax stick and just straighten this wig out and see what is really going on here, because this is beautiful, guys, no lie. Guys, I don't know about you, but I am absolutely blown away by this wear and go wig from Westkis Hair. Now again, for the details, it is a 22-inch 5x5 lace closure unit in 180 density. I have used absolutely no glue on this wig. Let me just show you. No glue. None at all, like zero glue. I just went in with the wax stick, my hot comb and my flat iron and pressed this baby out. It could even get much straighter than this, but of course I'm not a professional, so I'm just doing it to the best of my ability at this point. But the quality of this hair from Westkis is amazing, and the closure, the wear and go idea is beautiful, because I could just drag this wig on and get about my business. Again, I have not plucked it, I have not bleached it, I have not dyed it, I've applied no makeup to it. This is the wig raw out of the Westkis box. Now look at it, guys, look at the quality. I told you it's so silky. Just from even taking it out of the bag, I could have recognized how silky this hair is. Let me give you guys the final look. So there you have it, guys. That was it for this beautiful 22-inch straight closure wig from Westkis Hair. Now remember, all the information for this wig and for shopping on Westkis's website will be in the description box below. You guys can go ahead and shop this amazing wear and go wig. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.